the weather's good. It's so nice out. That means there's lots of homeless people.
It was 79 today.
79 today. It was a little warm, a little annoying. But growing up in Gilbert, I remember February being that, where you'd wear a jacket to school in the morning like a windbreaker, and then on the way home you'd have to tie it around your waist because it's hot. But no, we were stopped at a light, and there was a homeless girl at the light, you know, holding a sign. I didn't know it was a girl until we drove up, and I was like, holy shit, that's a girl. And I was like, god damn it, she needs to learn how to use her vagina right. And you know, of course Sherry laughs, right? And that's a joke. Ha 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 ha. You fucking kids are so sensitive. Yeah, pornography is like the leading industry of the world, you know. And I was like, you don't even have to let like a dude touch it. Just like let a dude look at it. So we were watching this, what was it called? Red Dog? Red Dog Saloon in Oklahoma City. It's on Amazon Prime. It's a documentary about, he's actually a country singer, and he's not super popular, but his mama used to be a stripper at the Red Dog, starting at like 14. And it's a little biography of that, and it's kind of a cool little pic. And it's, you know, it's reminiscent of a time that is just, it's gone. It'll never come back. But I say that, but you know, I think these young people are going to find out what it's like to be broke, and then guess what? They're going to be letting people look at their vaginas. So one of the funny things they talked about was like, and of course this lady's like, you know, she's like 260 pounds now. So she's not some little slutty 14, 15-year-old girl anymore. She was talking about how she, if you get up close to a customer, you can pull your drawers, your panties, your G-string to the side, and she said you could show a little skin. And she says, show us your booger. I said, call it a booger. And my wife was like, why do they call it a booger? And I go, that's actually a really good name. And she's like, why is it a good name? I was like, have you ever had a booger like on your sleeve, and it's just like a little outcropping? Like that's what a vagina looks like to us. So yeah, so this girl, it was not using her vagina properly, and it's like guys are willing to give money. Oh, is this real? Fuck. And then so guys are willing to give money for to look at professional vaginas. There's professional vaginas, and then there's amateur vaginas. So, but there's lots of vaginas out there to be seen on the internets for free. So, but you know, if you know a homeless girl, you're like, let me look at your vagina. And then just like give her $5. You're like, here you go. Here's $5. Was that so hard? She's like, no. And you're like, all right, let me buy you a beer. No, I just want something vegan. I was like, oh my God, beer is vegan, you dummy. Anyways, I'm picking up boxes. I love you guys. I'm working hard late tonight. Try to get caught up. I'm almost caught up. I think I got about another week, and I'll be caught up. Get these orders out. So, but yeah, but I still fell asleep with my clothes on watching the fucking thing. And even when the part where they're like, there was titties, and Sherry's like, you're missing the titties. I'm like, oh, it's okay. they're Oklahoma City titties. They're all sad.
No, they weren't.
I'm telling a joke. God damn it. Love you. Bye.